Welcome to Nanjing Road, Shanghai. In this video, we walk on the Nanjing Road pedestrian street and show what you can do here. If you are looking for things to do on Nanjing Road, this is the right place to start. Nanjing Road is famous because it is one of the best-known shopping streets in China, and it feels like the city's main stage. People come here for bright lights, big stores, local snacks, and the energy of the crowd. It is also in a very central location, so it is easy to reach and it stays busy almost all day. The most popular part is the pedestrian street. This section is made for walking, so it is comfortable for visitors and great for filming. You can get wide shots of the street, then close-ups of signs, shop windows, and street food. At night, the lights make everything look more dramatic, and the street feels like a river of people moving through the city. Another reason it is so famous is the mix of old and new Shanghai. Along the walk, you can see classic buildings and older department stores, and then just a few steps later you see modern malls and global brands. This contrast is one of the best parts. It tells a story of how Shanghai changed over time, but still keeps its city identity. So, what can you do on Nanjing Road? First, enjoy the street vibe and do people watching. This street is full of movement. Couples take photos, friends shop together, and travelers stop to film the lights. If you want the best atmosphere, come in the evening. The street becomes brighter, louder, and more alive. Second, go shopping. You will find large malls, famous department stores, and many smaller shops. Even if you do not plan to buy anything, it is still fun to walk inside and see the displays. If you want souvenirs, you can find snacks, small gifts, and Shanghai-themed items that are easy to carry. Third, try local snacks and sweets. Nanjing Road is known for food shops that have been popular for a long time. You can taste different small bites while you walk. You can also buy packaged treats as gifts for friends or family. Fourth, take a short ride on the sightseeing tram if you want a break from walking. It is a simple and fun way to see the street from another angle, and it also works well for video shots. One useful tip: Nanjing Road has two main parts, East Nanjing Road and West Nanjing Road. East is usually more crowded and more tourist-focused, with the classic pedestrian area. West often feels more modern and more luxury, with higher-end shopping. If you have limited time, choose the side that matches your style and explore it slowly. For a clean filming plan, start with a wide shot of the entrance signs, then show the crowd and the neon lights. After that, film shop windows and small details like street snacks and shopping bags. Add a few slow walking shots from the middle of the street, and finish with the night lights and the strongest atmosphere. That's Nanjing Road, Shanghai. Bright, busy, and always alive.